Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, harsh reality of Canadian winter you can see in front of me. Today morning when I woke up, I found thick layers of snow. And unfortunately because I was very busy and involved in other things I could not clean. I would have cleaned, but now I'm gonna clean. It's really very harsh, like in this cold weather when wind is blowing really high, I still have to pick up a shovel and do, but there's no option because legally I'm required to clean. So when you come to Canada, there are certain things you got to be familiar. First, I'm gonna clear the walkway because that's mandatory, and then I'm gonna clear some driveway and make some way for my family members too, and then I have to clean some ways for my um, tenants too, because that's a mandatory requirement. It's really harsh here in Canada, especially in this season, but we have to manage like this at least for next few months before sun comes back in the season of spring. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel.